stories. Fishmongers and business women in Portee and Rokupr fishing communities have benefited from the resilience of the Blue Economic Project with the installation of 10 standalone home systems with refrigeration in recognition of women's role in advancing climate-smart livelihoods within Sierra Leone's Blue Economy. According to Dr. Portee, the manager and chief of operations at the Energy Nexus Network, the ceremony marks a significant milestone in advancing renewable energy access, promoting women's economic empowerment, and strengthening climate resilience within Sierra Leone's shoreline communities. Moses Conte reports.
Portee and Rokupr communities are not only nearby communities but are also located around the riverline. Over the years, women fishmongers in these communities have been faced with significant post-harvest challenges such as high cost of ice, loss of fish due to spoilage. This has prompted them to rely heavily on cutting down mangroves to smoke their fish for preservation. According to the Livelihood and Governance Officer, Gold Sierra Leone, Abdoulaye Jallo, the initiative aims to provide an alternative to mangrove cutting, which practice has not only posed health risks to women but also contributes to environmental degradation by destroying mangroves, which serves as vital breeding ground for fish around riverine communities.
This now for support with fisherwomen them for actually take them off from cutting the mangroves. We don't see in the inception of this program we see women them the more embark on mangrove cutting, and we all know the impact of mangrove cutting and how it contributes to climate change.
According to the Senior Planning Officer, Ministry of Planning and Economic Development, Ibrahim Jallo, such a project should not be overlooked. He noted that the ministry looks forward to work with partners to replicate similar projects across coastal communities in the country.
Away from waiting government they dream at all, and this one is aligned with the medium-term national development plan.
The installation provides an innovative and sustainable solution, offering clean energy for fish preservation, reducing post-harvest losses and protecting the environment. Dr. Portee is the manager and chief of operation for the Energy Nexus Network. He highlighted the cost of the equipment, describing the engagement as a significant step in advancing renewable energy solutions for women fishmongers in Sierra Leone by empowering them with solar-powered refrigeration, adding that the purpose of the solar-powered refrigeration was not only to strengthen food security but also enhance climate resilience and economic empowerment at both community level.
Expensive assets. We're talking about $4,000 each of them, including refrigeration. For communities like this, even when they are located in the city, they still do not have reliable electricity, and some of them don't even have access to electricity. We've seen wastage when they harvest. Post-harvest losses are quite huge in these communities. And so we partnered with Gold to look for funding to demonstrate that you can provide solar energy, light up the homes, prepare the homes for grid electricity, and then include productive use application to energy by providing refrigeration, which cools fish, and also provide alternative livelihoods.
Beneficiaries from both communities applauded TEN and partners for such an intervention, which they have been yearning for. They expressed willingness to utilize these facilities as required by the installing agency. According to them, this venture has not only changed their trajectory as a multi-purpose business, but has also helped surrounding communities to benefit through the ice produced to keep their fish. The resilience of the Blue Economic Project is funded by Sunflower Foundation through Community Foundation Iceland. Moses Conte, SLBC.
In a significant move aimed at enhancing the quality of tertiary education in Sierra Leone, the Nigerian High Commissioner to Sierra Leone, Ambassador Anthony John Ebidapo, has officially introduced 4 specialized lecturers to the Ministry of Higher and Technical Education. The initiative is part of a broader commitment to support the development of the nation's educational landscape, particularly in the fields of medicine and law. Abdul Nasser witnessed the ceremony and now reports.
best in its endeavors. And we want to encourage.
The handing over ceremony of the Nigerian lecturers was attended by several dignitaries, including representatives from the Ministry of Higher and Technical Education, educators, and a high delegation from Nigeria. The ceremony focused on strengthening the bond between Sierra Leone and Nigeria through education. During the event, Ambassador Anthony John Ibipado expressed Nigerians' dedication to fostering educational collaboration between the two nations, stating that this was not the first time they had brought volunteer lecturers to the country.
Yeah, we feel very proud to see Nigeria